Today we are going to be learning about subject and verb agreement. So looking at these two sentences, I want you to pick the one that you think is correct. The apple fall or the apple falls. We are going to be learning all about what is subject and verb agreement. So when we're talking about subject and verb agreement, we are wanting our subject and our verb to get along within the sentence. They have to go together. When we are talking about subject and verb agreement, the subject or the noun has to be singular. If the subject or the noun is singular, then the verb will be singular as well. So we have a puppy, and then the verb would be singular as well. If the subject is plural, then the verb has to be plural as well. When we are talking about subject and verb agreements, we are looking at singular verbs and singular nouns. When I say singular, I mean just one, a single, or it's going to be alone. So some examples of singular nouns are car, tree, or ball. All of those are talking about just one object. So when we are looking at a singular noun, the verb that goes with that singular noun will always have an S at the end. So it is talking about just one. Verbs are the actions or what is happening in this sentence. And so the word eats is a verb. It is talking about one, singular. So we have that S added to the word eat to make eats. Drinks is also a singular verb. Now, when we put a singular noun and a singular verb together, we create sentences like a bird sings. Bird is the noun. It is singular. It is just one bird. So we have to have a singular verb. Sings is the singular verb. A bird sings. It has to have the S added to the end. Another example, a flower grows. Flower is the noun. Grows is the verb. It is a singular noun because it is talking about one flower. And the verb is singular. It has the S added to the end. So a flower grows is a singular noun and a singular verb. The subject and verb agree. They get along. Now, looking at plural noun and verb agreement, we're looking at plural nouns, which mean more than one or not alone. So some examples of plural nouns are balloons. There are more than one balloon. There are 5 balloons. Birds. There is more than one bird. There are 3 birds, so we add the S. Bananas. We are talking about more than one banana, so it is plural, bananas. If we have a plural noun, then our verb needs to be plural as well. It does not end with an S. So our verbs that are plural will not end in an S. So plural means more than one or not alone. We would have the word eat is plural. Drink is plural. We have to get rid of those S's to make them plural. The sentence, the children sing, contain plural noun and a plural verb. The children sing. The plural noun is children. It means more than one. Sing is the plural noun. It doesn't have the S on the verb. Flowers bloom. This contains a plural noun and a plural verb. Flowers is a plural noun. Bloom is the plural verb because it does not have the S on it. Flowers bloom. You are going to answer the next couple questions in EdPuzzle and pick the correct subject-verb agreement. Number 1 says, some climbers pick or picks flowers along the path. You should have selected pick. Climbers is a plural noun, so you need to pick the plural verb pick. Number 2, the friends gather or gathers rocks near the beach. You should have picked gather. The friends is a plural noun, so we need the plural verb, which is gather. Number 3, Rosa place or places her backpack on her desk. You should have picked places. Rosa is a singular noun, so we need the singular verb places. Number 4, Keisha and Leo wave or waves to people walking by. You should have picked wave. Keisha and Leo are two people, so it is a plural noun, and we need the plural wave. Summer break seem or seems far away. You should have selected seems. Summer break is a singular noun, so we need the singular verb seems.